Alright guys, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to change the mileage or the kilometers in a Porsche Cayenne. The process is pretty much the same for any vehicle that this tool covers, so I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. It'll always take you to the cheapest version. Now, one thing to know is that this kit here is actually a really high-end professional version, but the link I'm going to put in the description below this video will take you to a cheaper version which will do exactly the same thing. This thing will retail at over £2,500, but the one that I'm going to put in the link below is a much cheaper tool, but will do exactly the same as this tool is doing right here. It's made by the same manufacturer as well. So this is a Porsche Cayenne, and as you can see, let's see how much it has.
The worst case,
105,318 miles on the odometer there. So we're going to click into Diagnostics. We're going to click on to, where is it, odometer adjustment. Click agree to that. And it's going to ask us to select our vehicle, so we are looking for Porsche. There we are, Porsche, and it's a Cayenne 2010 onwards. So we're looking for backup and mileage adjustment in miles. So we're going to create a new folder. Well, actually, yeah, we'll create a new folder and we'll put Cayenne. The reason we're doing this is because if anything was to go wrong, you could revert back to the mileage that it was put back to. So please input the file name. Let's click OK to that. I need to type that here. Yes. Alright, so it's reading information from the vehicle now. Nearly there, 76%. Right, so it's telling us it's agreed that it's 105,347 miles, which is, well, it's close enough. On the screen we've got 105,318. It's one thing to note is it's not going to be exact. You're probably going to get it within about 50 miles. So if you make a peace with that, then you should be okay. So we're going to change this to, say, 105. Let's go 100. Alright, for the purpose of the video I'm doing this, I'm going to change everything back to the way it was when we started. So, okay. Input value 105, 100. Communicating. It's done a quick reset. The mileage adjustment complete, and now we're showing 105,067. So it's put it back, and in this case it was within 43 miles. So as I say, it won't get it exactly correct, but it will get it close enough. And if you play around with the numbers, then you may eventually get exactly what you want. But that's a quick demonstration. As I say, the tool, I'm going to put the best version of this. This is way too expensive, but if you wanted a cheaper version, I'm going to put this, the link in the description below this video where you can pick it up. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.